listening. Wait till you hear. Murphy was one of them hardy fuckers from the boglands of Donegal. They called him Dead Murphy because he was dead. You see, one night he strangled his mother to death in a drunken rage, and she cursed him to a life of endless hell with her dying words. He knew he was fucked, for wasn't she only a bastard and witch, so he shot himself in the belly that night with his grandfather's pistol. Well, the priest buried him in the bog, for wasn't Murphy a notorious sinner? But a couple of nights later, Murphy crawled his way out of the turf, and he's been wandering about like a zombie since, hoping somebody, someday, would put him out of his misery and into the ground forever. Now, one night, wasn't Murphy sitting on a wall having a rest when a wee smart-ass bastard from Strabane approached him.
Hello. How you doing?
Shite as ever.
You're not from around here.
I know.
Where are you heading to?
Haven't a fucking notion.
Jesus, you are friendly.
No, not me.
Well, tell you what. Hand over all your money, or I'll shoot ye.
You'll shoot me.
Aye, I will.
Go ahead.
Hey?
Fucking shoot me.
Don't take a hand on me, boy. I'll fucking well do it. I'm an armed robber. Plenty of bullets in the chamber.
Go on and do it then, you ugly wee bastard. Just make sure you fucking kill me. Don't fuck it up.
Or what, you wrinkly fucker?
Or I'll bury you in your fucking sidelocks in that forest. Alive. And then I'll piss in your grave, you wee whore. And that's a fucking promise.
Oh, I'll kill you all right, you dirty old bog-hopping bollocks. Fuck. My gun's fucked.
Tell me you're joking.
I'm not joking.
Ah.
Well, Murphy was not happy. Not only was he still alive, but he was after making a promise. And if you know Murphy, you know he's a man of his word. Isn't that right, Murphy?
Aye. That's right. That's spot on.
Ah!